If you guys have been watching us for a while, when I got Boricua, I said this summer you will see me in the Burnout pit. I don't know how to swing it yet. I've only done one Burnout. Don't judge me. I've been watching everybody, and I think that I get the idea of how to do it. He was like, go do it then. I was like, okay, ready?
What's up, Raza? Back at it again with another vlog. We've been getting ready since yesterday. Stayed up until like 1 in the morning, guys, trying to get these trucks ready for this show. What do you think?
I'm excited. I feel like we're leaving a little bit late. I feel like we're gonna get there and we're gonna steal the show.
And what gave you the confidence?
Delusion.
This one was a nightmare. Had to get new wheels for it, because the other wheels were just definitely just a pain. Too many problems with the wheels. Previous owner really screwed those wheels up. I had to fucking end up dealing with the situation. I think that it matches, goes with the truck. It's only what I think. And Boricua had some overheating issues that we had to take care of. We got it done. Stay tuned. We're gonna hit the road now.
It's gonna take 2 hours to get there.
All day.
All day.
Let's do it.
Been going for about an hour. Everything's been smooth. We actually bought these walkie-talkies, got 3 of them, 1 for each truck, so we could easily communicate between the 3 trucks. But the cat eyes wipers just went out. If you remember, the wipers have always been an issue, continuously been fixed over and over again. But before we left to go to Portland, a man fixed them, put a new motor and everything in it, and we thought that they were going to be good. They were going pretty good, all things considered. Not no more. My wipers are out again.
Oh my.
We can put it on a string. Oh my god.
Finally made it, guys. Made it to somewhere out here. After 2 hours of drive, took it nice and easy.
What are you thinking so far? How are you feeling? So it took us 2 hours to get here. What are you thinking so far as we pull up?
Pinos, they do it big. I think it's gonna be a good one.
And there's supposed to be a burnout pit, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Stay tuned. We'll see what's going down.
I'll probably go take a walk around, check out what's here so far. Welcome to my point of view. We're gonna take a little bit of a look around. So far we have some food, because you know that that's essential. I'm gonna be going there later. We got some tents here. We got here at 1 o'clock and started at 1, so I'm wondering if maybe we got here like right on time and a bunch of people are still showing up. This is what we have, us right here, but this is what we have so far. And the food smells, ooh, food smells so good. Also, normally when we come to things like this, if you guys have watched in the past, you know that normally I pack all our food so that we don't eat out. Because I'm that we got food at home girl, and I didn't do that this time. I pretty much accepted the fact that we're gonna be buying food when we go out today. So far, this is what we have. We're here, Los Pinos and Humilde, and I think everybody else is like solo riders. Also understand that he always tells you guys to stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
And then you stay tuned, but he never tunes you back in, so you might be getting a lot of me today. Not finished nails? Let's talk about that. What time were we supposed to leave today, Lexi? 10:30. What time did you start doing your nails, Lexi? 10:30. No. She was doing her nails at 10:30. Yeah. Let me see. Why are you side-eyeing the camera? Next. Chicles. As you can see, it has definitely picked up, but so has the rain. The rain sucks. Trying to stay dry right now and trying to stay warm is the worst part. We didn't park near the Burnout, so for us to see it is like We're trying to stay under the tent, but it's way over there. So we're watching from like the sidelines, but we're watching. I'm gonna try and brave this for a second. I'm gonna take one for the team.
Come to party, I just came to get my money right. If you wanna party, you should know that
It was fine. He said that he doesn't care that everybody's out here. It's just can't be doing the burnout. So here comes the Lobo. Where'd you go?
One time's here.
They just replaced Paul. They just can't do burnouts. He didn't care that anybody's here. He just said he can't be doing all that.
I thought they were allowed. I guess we can't.
Was that where you were heading?
No, I was just driving around, trying to stay warm. And cruise around, you know? Cops are gonna be here around watching. What's up, Raza? Back at it again. Muñeca's been recording for you guys. Obviously, she's been getting all the good videos so far. It's just getting wild out here. The cops already came, they already left, but it's time to go look for some snacks. I'm getting a little bit hungry, and the girls are getting a little bit hungry too. You hungry? I'm hungry. What do you feel like eating?
Just something small. Probably just the churros.
Churros with some lime, some salsa. They got tacos, they got hot dogs, they got burgers, they got fries.
And they put lechera.
Plátanos fritos. Yeah. ¿Sí me das 3 de estos? A mí me las das con limón y chile. Now we got snacks. Salud, raza. Churros with lime, hot sauce. Can't beat it. Takes me back to my childhood for sure.
I just came to get my money right. If you wanna party, you should know that I don't want to fight. If you wanna step up and get up tonight. If I know we did it whenever, okay, you know it's right. I'm in that old school Chevy with the top back. Butterfly doors, watch you flutter when I stop that. Ain't in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Stains dripping on the road, mop that. Ain't in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Stains dripping on the road. Party, I just came to get my money right. If you wanna party, you should know that I don't want to fight. If you wanna step up and get up tonight. If I know we did it whenever, oh, you know it's right. Chevy with the top back, the 5 dudes, watch me photo when I stop that. Ain't in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever
Period.
Stains dripping on the road, mop that.
I don't know if you guys saw, there was another Boricua out in the burnout pit, and then right after that my man went out there. It definitely picked up. Like I said, it was a little bit quiet when we first got here, so it's definitely picked up. How's the Lobo doing?
That's enough time to get home.
That's it?
That's about it. This ground is horrible.
It's pretty active out here.
I brought everything but extra tires. I'm pretty limited on the time that I could be out there, especially when I have to drive 2 hours.
2 hours to get home.
I hope it's not raining. Be drifting in the rain.
Also, I was just telling him. So if you guys have been watching us for a while, when I got Boricua, I said this summer you will see me in the Burnout pit. I don't know how to swing it yet. I've only done one Burnout. Don't judge me. I've been watching everybody, and I think that I get the idea of how to do it. He was like, go do it then. I was like, there's too many people. So I can't throw myself in there. There's a lot of people watching. But Michelada Wars is next weekend. I still probably won't be ready, but I think I get the basic idea. Okay, more on that later. Okay, ready? Well, guys, usually I said what I said, but
and I just saw F-150 in there, so I had to give it a little spin. My truck doesn't feel right. I don't know.
bruh.
She's not a quitter. Got me home. She barely made it home. The Lobo is gonna need a transplant pretty soon. I think I went a little bit too hard. And on top of that, I had to drive it, 2 hours?
2 hours.
I made it home though.
Yeah.
And it's still going.
Still going.
With that being said, Raza, it's a fucking wrap. Sad, but at the same time excited.
Why?
Because a swap is coming for the Lobo, guys. So stay tuned.
So today was a success. Never got to give an actual update on the Boricua's water pump. My man did fix it, obviously. He was very stressed out that day. No filming allowed. But me and Lexi got to go and do our own little burnout. We're the only females out there. So that was very cool. That was very fun for us. Ended up being a very, very good turnout. So I'm very happy with that. Now, as far as the Lobo, out for the count. You can't say that he's mad about it though, because if you've been following us for a while, you know that low-key he's been waiting for that. But like I always say, he's the smartest man I know.